Welcome back to Vegan Sing. It's snowing today, the lovely ambiance of Chicago. Let's start off with the Punjabi word of the episode for snow. It's barf, not barf, it's barf. Actually, that's the word for ice. A lot of people use that for snow. I don't actually know what the word for snow is in Punjabi. If you know it in Punjabi or Hindi, please let me know. It's cold, so I need something that'll warm me up. Should I make soup? Nah. What about some tea or a hot beverage? I know. I need some spice in my life. Let's make some Kadai Paneer. Let's get started. Aayo chaliye. The star of the dish will be tofu. It'll be our paneer substitute. I only eat tofu very so often because there's some pros and cons related to it. I'll talk about it some other time. Drizzle in some oil and then we'll add our spices. I'm going to be adding some Kashmiri red chili powder for a nice kick and some color, along with coriander powder, which you can never have enough of. I have a tad bit more of coriander powder compared to the red chili powder. And let's go ahead and drop it in. You know what? That looks so cool. Let's see it in slow-mo. Ha ha ha. Now let's shake it up. T Swift's cool, but so is Rihanna. Drop the beat! Bake that tofu for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. As we wait for our tofu to bake, let's go ahead and make our masala by doing the turka or the saute. I already have some cumin in there with some oil, and now I'm adding a small yellow onion. Let's cook that until it's nice and golden. Once the onions cook, let's add our spices. So that was coriander powder, just added some Kashmiri red chili and some turmeric. All these spices, they're about 2 to 3 teaspoons and they all have their different values. So for example, Kashmiri red chili gives it a kick, coriander powder for the taste, and turmeric for the health, antioxidants. I added some more oil and now we're adding in the onions, which is red onion, and I have some bell peppers, orange and yellow. You can use any bell peppers you want. I wanted to be a little bit sweeter, so I added the sweeter bell peppers. Just added in some water. The water helps bring in all those spices together and all those masalas together so you have equal balance in your palate. Now I'm adding some ketchup for some tanginess. This is not your normal ketchup. This is sweet and spicy ketchup. There's a lot of different brands that have this type of ketchup, so just look out for one. Drop in that tofu. Instead of stirring, we'll be folding the tofu so the tofu doesn't break. Ooh, look at that. Let's add some spice, some chilies. Get that. Alright, we gotta try this, but before I try this, let's make sure to thank our farmers because they work. Alright, let's go for it. Magnificent. You gotta try this. It's a great balance of spicy and sweet. So good. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.